Ubak Wailadmiki Shylla Menteri Kakam Ilekai Hak Sorkar Jala Mentaraksi Knowledge Ban Plie Pada Yaka AIU E-Zone Inter-University Handball Tournament Aja Opsan Aja Apundri Lempung Ilekai Kau Pelong Dekat Association of Indian University Sport Complex Kemudian University of Science and Technology Mikhalia
especially pada jenis yang memiliki bagi hostel fee pada college fee bila sentuh di buat tertaruh hadir di mereka dunia dalam berserta guna but still then because ini ngarang Oslo for the first time malah menunggu definitely nasa rakyat ini nasa discuss lagi officer yang haru mengenai review yang lebih ini high definition orang if anything then kamu mau ini feel free to come and approach lagi ini nanti saya discuss ya kan ini saya discuss lagi activity officer sejauh itu perlu kamu kami lah susu dan dia lebih hello kata Bang Silsohi dan kalian kami chancellor kita discuss last time dengan Makiro bidang Makiro Himbe di lalu private Makiro kita tambah expand ya kata Makiro definitely in expect lebih mansur Makiro lebih mansur kita bisa jadi sejauh ya kan ini saya discuss pada department dengan saya seperti whatever it is adalah what we can move ahead definitely dengan saya penting jadi what we dengan lah address mereka isu more.
The Banaras Hindu University boys team versus Bahrampur University. So I request all of the team to go out of the court and enjoy the match. So Bahrampur University boys team and Banaras Hindu University boys team, get ready for the match.
And we do understand, for you to have that encouragement, for your family to support you, we need something special. That's why government of Meghalaya from the Sports and Youth Affairs Department have passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Sport Person Direct Recruitment Policy, where a sports person in the past, we have 2% job quota for them, where they have to fight among themselves to get a job opportunity in government. But right now, in order to support our young athletes and to encourage the family member to support them, that's why the state government have passed this policy, where under this policy, whoever bring medals in national game, Asian game, Olympics, Paralympics, South Asian games, directly they will get government job. No need to appear for recruitment. Directly when you come, you'll get the job. It's like they say, medal lao, job leke jao. So I hope this is a big boost and a big encouragement for our young athlete. I wish all the participating team the very best. May this tournament be remembered not only for outstanding performance, but also for friendship, sportsmanship, and unity among our youth. With these few words, before I will resume my seat, once again, I would like to urge to all of you who have come, please take time. Meghalaya is a very beautiful state, very beautiful place to see. So please explore and please try some local dishes also for you to take your memory with you. So with these few words, once again, Kublai Shibon, thank you and Jai Hind. Respected Vice Chancellor and the member of the host university, esteemed officials of the Association of Indian Universities and Handball Federation, distinguished guests on the dais, coaches, referees, and team managers, and my dear students, athletes, both men and women, ladies and gentlemen. Before I proceed with my speech, I would like to just introduce myself, and at the same time, as a sport minister of this state, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to our beloved state of Meghalaya. I hope you will have a memorable stay, which I am totally confident that the host university, which is one of the premier institute in our northeastern region, will make and definitely make your stay a memorable one. Myself, my name is Wailadmiki Shylla. This is my second time as an MLA. Just for your information, maybe I look old, but I'm just 35 years of age. Why I'm telling you that? My age is not that different from yours. And I am very happy to be here, to be present today as your chief guest on this auspicious occasion of the inaugural ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Handball Tournament for men and women. I congratulate the host university and the organizing committee for taking up this important responsibility for the excellent arrangement made for this prestigious event. Sports play a vital role in shaping not only strong bodies, but also disciplined, confident, and responsible citizen. Tournaments such as this one provide young athletes an invaluable platform to showcase their talent, test their skills, and learn the true spirit of competition. Handball in particular is a game that demands speed, teamwork, strategy, and mental toughness qualities that are equally essential in life beyond the playing field. I'm especially happy to see enthusiastic participants from universities across the East Zone, and I am proud that both men and women athletes are competing on the same platform. This reflects our collective commitment toward gender equality in sports and the belief that talent knows no boundaries. Dear players, remember that while winning is important, it is not the only goal. What truly matters is how you play the game with fairness, respect for opponent, obedience to rule, and grace in both victory and defeat. Carry these values with you, and they will serve you well throughout your life. From February 10 to 14, promise not just thrilling handball action, but a celebration of youth, grit, and unbreakable team spirits. As a sport minister, I would like to reaffirm that the government is fully committed to strengthen the sport ecosystem from grassroots to elite levels. Universities play a crucial role in identifying and nurturing sporting talent, and even like this, tournaments are stepping stones toward national and international excellence. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of coaches, officials, referees, volunteers, and support staff whose dedication make such tournament possible. Your contribution to the development of sports is truly commendable.
The team to move out of the court immediately. We shall begin the game immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, men's team will be staying here. Only men's team. आप लोग जाइए. Hey, USTM, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Versus Berhampur University. Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness 2025-26 organized by Association of Indian Universities and hosted. So at this moment,
In a match, I request Rajal sir to kindly announce the teams and to begin the game. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. So now, as the tournament is open, players, are you ready?
match between Banaras Hindu University versus the balls with the Banaras University. The blockage by AIU. Let's see who can score first. And the last block. Ball possession with ball by Rupang. A second trial. Passing the ball smoothly. Chance missed. Passing the ball smoothly. Chance created. Did not shoot, but passing again. Shoot, but missed it. Now the ball position to the again BHU. Ball with the Harshit. Pervin is there, number 3. Score by BHU.